Hi, I'm Kavita Ralhan. In this video, I'll be doing unboxing of Bluetooth wireless headsets from the brand Boat, model number RockerZ 261. So let's get started. Now these are the wireless headsets from the brand Boat. You can see the product image here. It says RockerZ 261. Go the distance is what the box says. Now here on the back side of the box, few features that I mentioned. The battery life is up to 8 hours of non-stop workout. Of course, nobody works for 8 hours of workout, but still you get the battery life of 8 hours. Plus it is IPX7 sweat and water resistant, which is great. Plus you also get this multifunction button control, secure fit for high intensity movement, and it has a rugged design for extensive use. Now these are specially for people who like to work out, and of course they like to listen to their music while working out. So these are made in such a way that the fit and all is made in such a way that they will not fall while you're running, you're exercising in the gym, you're jogging. Now this is the Boat catalog that is there inside the box. It talks about the different Boat products, the speakers and the Bluetooth headsets. Now here you also get this one card from Boat. And this is the user guide. It talks about the product features, like the basic features it has Bluetooth connectivity 4.1, wireless version compatible with over 99% of mobile phone and tablets. The charging time is 1 to 2 hours. Standby time is 250 hours, and the range that you get is around 10 meters, and the talk time you get is 7 to 9 hours. Now here it talks about the various aspects of the product, what all are the features, how you can dual pair it, and this is the Bluetooth headsets. I like the box, this round box. That means it's portable also. I can keep this in my bag, I can keep this in my gym bag very easily. Black in color. And this is the Bluetooth headset. Now they are quite trendy, so if you're somebody who likes like sports thing and all, you're very sporty, then I think they have a very sporty look. Black and red in color. This is the multifunction key. In other Bluetooth headsets, you get the volume control button here, but here you can see there are different buttons, plus and minus button, and this is the multifunction key to change between different modes. Where is the charging slot? Now here you can see this small slot. This is the charging slot here. So I like the touch and feel of it. It's very soft and very light in weight. Now here in the box, one thing I forgot to mention is the ear tips. You get different size of ear tips. Now here on the Bluetooth headset also you get ear tip, but just in case you're not okay with this size, then you can try these different size ear tips that you get for free. And this is the charging cable. You also get this charging cable along. So once you charge this for 1 to 2 hours, then you get a good talk time. So this was it in the unboxing video. You get the Bluetooth headset, you get the case, you get the charging cable and some other papers. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Stay tuned in for more.